Surah, number 52, of Quran Majeed. The Mount.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَالطُّورِ.
By the Mount, Sinai.
وَكِتَابٍ مَّسْطُورٍ.
By the book inscribed.
فِي رَقٍّ مَّنشُورٍ.
On an unrolled parchment.
وَالْبَيْتِ الْمَعْمُورِ.
By the house greatly frequented.
وَالسَّقْفِ الْمَرْفُوعِ.
By the vault raised high.
وَالْبَحْرِ الْمَسْجُورِ.
By the surging sea.
إِنَّ عَذَابَ رَبِّكَ لَوَاقِعٌ.
Indeed your Lord's punishment will surely befall.
مَا لَهُ مِن دَافِعٍ.
There is none who can avert it.
يَوْمَ تَمُورُ السَّمَاءُ مَوْرًا.
On the day when the sky whirls violently.
وَتَسِيرُ الْجِبَالُ سَيْرًا.
And the mountains move with an awful motion.
فَوَيْلٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ لِّلْمُكَذِّبِينَ.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي خَوْضٍ يَلْعَبُونَ.
Those who play around in vain talk.
يَوْمَ يُدَعُّونَ إِلَى نَارِ جَهَنَّمَ دَعًّا.
The day when they will be shoved forcibly toward the fire of hell, and told,
هَذِهِ النَّارُ الَّتِي كُنتُم بِهَا تُكَذِّبُونَ.
This is the fire which you used to deny.
أَفَسِحْرٌ هَذَا أَمْ أَنْتُمْ لَا تُبْصِرُونَ.
Is this, then, also, magic, or is it you who do not perceive?
اصْلَوْهَا فَاصْبِرُوا أَوْ لَا تَصْبِرُوا سَوَاءٌ عَلَيْكُمْ إِنَّمَا تُجْزَوْنَ مَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
Enter it, and it will be the same for you whether you are patient or impatient. You are only being requited for what you used to do.
إِنَّ الْمُتَّقِينَ فِي جَنَّاتٍ وَنَعِيمٍ.
Indeed the God-weary will be amid gardens and bliss.
فَاكِهِينَ بِمَا آتَاهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ وَوَقَاهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ عَذَابَ الْجَحِيمِ.
Rejoicing because of what their Lord has given them, and that their Lord has saved them from the punishment of hell.
كُلُوا وَاشْرَبُوا هَنِيئًا بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
They will be told, enjoy your food and drink, as a reward, for what you used to do.
مُتَّكِئِينَ عَلَى سُرُرٍ مَّصْفُوفَةٍ وَزَوَّجْنَاهُم بِحُورٍ عِينٍ.
They will be reclining on arrayed couches, and we will wed them to big-eyed houris.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَاتَّبَعَتْهُمْ ذُرِّيَّتُهُم بِإِيمَانٍ أَلْحَقْنَا بِهِمْ ذُرِّيَّتَهُمْ وَمَا أَلَتْنَاهُم مِّنْ عَمَلِهِم مِّن شَيْءٍ ۚ كُلُّ امْرِئٍ بِمَا كَسَبَ رَهِينٌ.
The faithful and their descendants who followed them in faith, we will make their descendants join them, and we will not stint anything from the reward of their deeds. Every person is hostage to what he has earned.
وَأَمْدَدْنَاهُمْ بِفَاكِهَةٍ وَلَحْمٍ مِّمَّا يَشْتَهُونَ.
We will provide them with fruits and meat, such as they desire.
يَتَنَازَعُونَ فِيهَا كَأْسًا لَّا لَغْوٌ فِيهَا وَلَا تَأْثِيمٌ.
There they will pass from hand to hand a cup wherein there will be neither any vain talk nor sinful speech.
وَيَطُوفُ عَلَيْهِمْ غِلْمَانٌ لَّهُمْ كَأَنَّهُمْ لُؤْلُؤٌ مَّكْنُونٌ.
They will be waited upon by their youths, as if they were guarded pearls.
وَأَقْبَلَ بَعْضُهُمْ عَلَى بَعْضٍ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ.
They will turn to one another, questioning each other.
قَالُوا إِنَّا كُنَّا قَبْلُ فِي أَهْلِنَا مُشْفِقِينَ.
They will say, indeed, aforetime, we used to be apprehensive about our families.
فَمَنَّ اللَّهُ عَلَيْنَا وَوَقَانَا عَذَابَ السَّمُومِ.
But Allah showed us favor and He saved us from the punishment of the infernal miasma.
إِنَّا كُنَّا مِن قَبْلُ نَدْعُوهُ إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْبَرُّ الرَّحِيمُ.
We used to supplicate Him aforetime. Indeed He is the All-Benign, the All-Merciful.
فَذَكِّرْ فَمَا أَنْتَ بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ بِكَاهِنٍ وَلَا مَجْنُونٍ.
So admonish. By your Lord's blessing, you are not a soothsayer, nor mad.
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ شَاعِرٌ نَتَرَبَّصُ بِهِ رَيْبَ الْمَنُونِ.
Do they say, he is a poet, for whom we await a fatal accident?
قُلْ تَرَبَّصُوا فَإِنِّي مَعَكُمْ مِنَ الْمُتَرَبِّصِينَ.
Say, wait. I too am waiting along with you.
أَمْ تَأْمُرُهُمْ أَحْلَامُهُمْ بِهَذَا أَمْ هُمْ قَوْمٌ طَاغُونَ.
Is it their intellect which prompts them to say this, or are they a rebellious lot?
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ تَقَوَّلَهُ بَل لَّا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Do they say, he has improvised it himself? Rather, they have no faith.
فَلْيَأْتُوا بِحَدِيثٍ مِّثْلِهِ إِن كَانُوا صَادِقِينَ.
Let them bring a discourse like it, if they are truthful.
أَمْ خُلِقُوا مِنْ غَيْرِ شَيْءٍ أَمْ هُمُ الْخَالِقُونَ.
Were they created from nothing? Or are they their own creators?
أَمْ خَلَقُوا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ بَل لَّا يُوقِنُونَ.
Did they create the heavens and the earth? Rather, they have no certainty.
أَمْ عِندَهُمْ خَزَائِنُ رَبِّكَ أَمْ هُمُ الْمُصَيْطِرُونَ.
Do they possess the treasuries of your Lord? Or do they control them?
أَمْ لَهُمْ سُلَّمٌ يَسْتَمِعُونَ فِيهِ فَلْيَأْتِ مُسْتَمِعُهُم بِسُلْطَانٍ مُّبِينٍ.
Do they have a ladder leading up to heaven, whereby they eavesdrop? If so, let their eavesdropper produce a manifest authority.
أم له البنات ولكم البنون
Does he have daughters while you have sons?
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون
Do you ask them for a reward, so that they are weary of being weighed down with debt?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون
Do they have access to the unseen, which they write down?
أم يريدون كيدا فالذين كفروا هم المكيدون
Do they seek to outmaneuver Allah? But it is the faithless who are the outmaneuvered ones.
أم لهم إله غير الله سبحان الله عما يشركون
Do they have any God other than Allah? Clear is Allah of any partners that they may ascribe to him.
وَإِن يَرَوْا كِسْفًا مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ سَاقِطًا يَقُولُوا سَحَابٌ مَّرْكُومٌ
Were they to see a fragment falling from the sky, they would say, a cumulus cloud.
فَذَرْهُمْ حَتَّى يُلَاقُوا يَوْمَهُمُ الَّذِي فِيهِ يُصْعَقُونَ
So leave them until they encounter the day when they will be thunderstruck.
يَوْمَ لَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُمْ كَيْدُهُمْ شَيْئًا وَلَا هُمْ يُنصَرُونَ
The day when their guile will not avail them in any way, nor will they be helped.
وَإِنَّ لِلَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا عَذَابًا دُونَ ذَلِكَ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ
Indeed, there is a punishment besides that for those who do wrong, but most of them do not know.
وَاصْبِرْ لِحُكْمِ رَبِّكَ فَإِنَّكَ بِأَعْيُنِنَا وَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ حِينَ تَقُومُ
So submit patiently to the judgment of your Lord, for indeed you fare before our eyes. And celebrate the praise of your Lord when you rise, at dawn.
وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَسَبِّحْهُ وَإِدْبَارَ النُّجُومِ
And also glorify him during the night and at the receding of the stars.